People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-People.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at PurpleButterfly-Soaps.myshopify.com. And it's ready. It's been a couple of days and the glue should be dry, set, hard, whatever. But let's get it out of here and let you see what we got. Okay. Man, that's heavy. I'm going to use that box for something else. Okay, now. Passed that test. It opened without incident. But yeah. Stiff. It's not weak anymore. It's performing the job without, whining about it. That's a good repair. There's only one little problem. That little piece right there of paper towel that's stuck to it. So I'm going to take a nail file and just give it a once over. Hold on, I need to see what I'm doing. Make sure this is on the grit side. And that got me to where the actual surface of the glue is, which is a little gooey, which means I can pick it up. Yeah, there we go. And that's what that looks like. So now I'm going to take a little bit of water. Well, I don't have water available, but I have hand sanitizer. It'll do the same thing. It'll wet the paper toweling so I can scratch it off. And then the only thing that's left behind is the cloth, the clasp, and that little bit of glue that's sticking out, and I could just literally take a black marker and cover that right up. But that's how it looks now. Almost as good as new. Actually, it is good as new. But that little teeny mark where the glue was, yeah, that will disappear after I put like a little teeny bit of magic marker on it to cover it up. But yep, that's a successful repair. So if you ever needed to know how to repair or how to fix a weak clasp, Fabri-tac. Yep, that's all I used was Fabri-tac. I had actually bought E6000, and E6000 is great for metal versus metal, but for metal versus metal on leather or imitation leather or vegan leather, where you need flexibility along with the hold, E6000 didn't do it, but Fabri-tac did. Yep. Y'all stay blessed and stay tuned. This has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-People.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at PurpleButterfly-Soaps.myshopify.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye now. Didn't that come out great? Yep.